Hello YouTubers. So it has been a while since we have done a video on this channel. A lot has changed. I have a video as soon as the weather cooperates that we'll get out and talk to you guys about, oh, you know, just the little things that have changed. And by little, I mean big. A lot has changed. New town, new ideas, new things. So in the spirit of new things, new town, we're going to set up a new helmet. As you can see, that's my previous helmet right here. The Shoei GT Air. Love it, done me well. One of the bigger reasons why I want to switch up, not just because of the new area or anything, but as you can see, I have a lot of names on that. And with all those names, I don't really want them to rub off. I don't want to wear it out. I'll probably still wear it from time to time, but I'll probably mainly use it on the Harley. Of course, still got the Grom, got the Gixxer over there, and we'll discuss all that. Like I said, as soon as the weather cooperates and we're able to get out a good video. So today, I just wanted to go ahead and discuss what I am doing with the new helmet. Because with the new helmet also is coming up a completely different setup that I've never done before. Per se. Of course, it's always a GoPro and it's always mic'd up and it's always on a helmet. So with that, you know, I have currently set out my previous setup to kind of, you know, show you the difference and kind of how what I was using compared to what we will be using as we set up the new helmet. As you can see, I had the curved arm mount, did have the locking GoPro attachment, you know, on it that slid onto the mount over here on the helmet. And, you know, of course it'd sit like that. And nice, you know, good look. Ordered this case especially for it, and the back we got from Ian187. Awesome back. And I ran the 4 black in this. What we're going to be running on the new helmet is the Hero 5 session because it can actually get mic'd up. But the Hero 4 black in here. Had the side cutouts for my mic. Had the back cut out because the battery cable attachment to go to a portable battery pack that I would just stick in my jacket. So we're going to change that up. But this is what we're getting rid of. You know, a little bulky. Still good setup. You know, worked very well for me. I liked it a lot. After seeing what a lot of YouTubers are doing out there that are motorcycle channels and their motovlogging helmets, kind of want to change it up some. All right, so this is our new helmet. Of course, I got another Shoei. I was going to try a different brand, and I actually bought a Icon, and you know, realized, well, not only does it not have the ear holes for the Sena, it doesn't have a chin skirt, and so where you got the nice, cool look on the sides, it lacked in some functionality of what I want it for. You know, I need that chin curtain. I don't think the quality of the sound would be that amazing without it. So we went with the X-14. Love the look. A little on the pricier side, but of course matte black again, my favorite. It's a good look with the dark smoke windshield. Put that on in shop just to make sure everything fit, and put the pin lock in just to make sure everything was good before I walked away. Spend good $800 on a helmet, and you want to make sure that everything's good. So this is what we're going to be setting up now. I want to say Chase on 2 wheels, Jake the Guard Snake. And Jake the Guard Snake's where I really saw this. And then I want to say Sub D also as well as switched over to running this setup. So, all right, so we got our new helmet. And let's go over what we have that you've been looking at here, has been talking, that we're going to put on or use with this helmet. We got the Hero 5 session. That's what is going to be getting us that good, solid footage, as well as highly recommended from a lot of people, not just motovloggers, but just YouTubers in general. The purple Panda microphone is supposed to work very well with the GoPro, so we'll try that out. I've had this mic adapter for a while because, of course, I've had GoPro 5, 6, and as well that I've used, so a little beat up, but it works. So we're gonna be using that because, you know, GoPro and their over-expensive, large, bulky mount that everybody complains about, so we won't touch on that too much. So we got ourselves an SD card as well that we're going to be using. We're just going to set that up here to just kind of keep it out of the way. And we have here, this is really cool. I don't mind the curved mount, obviously, and having the one GoPro piece on the side, but I picked up this from Motoraz. This is a new mount, specifically engineered for motovloggers. This looks legit. So not only do you have that mount that they conceived, but they created these arms. I am excited for this. Of course, we have the instructions there, and they're awesome to give you an alcohol pad. So as you can see, this is a pretty cool setup. You got your GoPro mount right here, locking mount, and you got your arms. And yeah, this is definitely gonna be a pretty cool setup. Snap these arms onto there, like so. And voila! So depending on the shape of your helmet, you may only need just a centerpiece, maybe just one side, or both. But it ensures, no matter what, what looks to be solid center connection all the way around. And not huge and bulky. I mean, it's a little bulky, but not not overly crazy. I'm excited. Of course, we got our J mount here. Link the camera up too. So, all right, let's get started. Oh yeah, that'll be good. All right, so we got the mount on. Let's, you know, we can mount that. Well, no, I want to see. Next, we need to mount that. So I kind of want to see where we're at. Let's take that. I'm not going to use the big screw mount. You know, I might, I guess. I don't really want to. After messing around a little bit, I think currently this mount works a little better. If it becomes an issue, what I'm going to do is just put a little extension piece on one of the, and get it there. And that way I can just tilt it further back or more forward. Either way, you know, it's still pretty sleek, pretty lightweight. You know, it's not as bulky as the other one. So if it's just a little bit further out, then so be it. But so far so good. So let's mount in this now. Of course, GoPro made this out of, you know, some form of rubberized plastic that doesn't work with any type of glue or sticky or anything. So what we are going to do, we are going to wrap this in gaffer's tape. Yeah, that'll hold. Huh. Nice. All right. We are going to do the same thing next with this. This is a little Anchor battery pack that is 6,700 mAh. So this thing will last a lot longer than your SD card's going to last. yeah, all right. Very nice. So now we got that mounted. All right, so we have now completed putting our power cord in. So let me show you what I did here. Power cord comes out. I gaffer taped it around and put the X6 inside. That way, not, you know, minimal showing, but there's a little tension on it, but not enough. You know, you can still unplug it and whatnot, but it's not going to come unplugged while I'm riding, which would be very upsetting. So what I'm not showing you on camera too, by the way, is as I'm rolling this around, I've realized you can use the top piece styrofoam. There's the cradle, but squeaky, so I just went ahead and skipped on ahead. Last but not least, the purple Panda. So a few pieces come with this. Now, from what I understand, I believe we are required to use this little adapter just because it converts it from this. As you can see, it's got the 3 black brakes. You know, each individual piece is a different channel, and we're going to convert it to essentially a stereo channel to plug in. So that's obviously, that's going to go right there. And then we're going to route this, put the X6 inside, and I'm going to put the microphone up there in my cheek pad. And you know, of course, everybody's different. Everybody puts them in a different place. We'll have to find that little piece that just flew off, but we're going to use a little dead kitten, fluff ball, whatever you want to call it. It came with it. Okay, well, we finished running our mic. So what I did was, as you can see, mic's right there, plugs in, like everything else, a little tension, but not completely. So that way we're not wrecking it right away, but hopefully, you know, just enough on there that it doesn't pull out. That goes into the cheek pad there. Excess goes down around, and then I got the mic tucked back in right there. And we'll test it out. You know, we may have to move the mic, but that's complete. So as far as being able to go motovlog, we are ready to go. Got an SD card in. As you can see, it's charging. Battery pack's working, you know, and we'll test out the mic. So next thing you see is we're going to switch to the helmet. We're going to check it out. On your mark, get set, go. All right, so now we are currently in the helmet. We'll test the audio. This is the audio just chilling out. Standing here with the windscreen obviously open, and we'll test it there. Windscreen closed, and hopefully the audio comes out all right. And we'll obviously we'll get on one of the bikes here and check it out again when the weather stops, you know, downpouring all over. So I want to thank you guys if you made it to the end. You know, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you if you subscribed. Big changes coming. Stay tuned for the next episode. Like I said, as soon as the weather turns, we're gonna get out on the bike. We're gonna do it that way. Talk about some things, future of the channel, ideas, plans, etc. Hopefully this new setup looks good. Hopefully we get a little bit better video footage than even before. Better sound quality. Trying to step it up a little bit. So drop a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.